Pakistan was responsible for the terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama last year, in which 40 Indian paramilitary troopers were killed. A Pakistani minister has told the country's legislature in an apparent admission of the country's role in the sponsoring cross-border terrorism. हमने हिंदुस्तान को घुस के मारा. We hit India in their home. This is what he said. He said our success in Pulwama is a success of our people under the leadership of Imran Khan. You and we are all part of that success, Minister Fawad Chaudhry said in the National Assembly. As the statement sparked an uproar in the Assembly, he appeared to change track, rephrasing his line as पुलवामा के वाक़ये के बाद जब हमने इंडिया को घुस के मारा, that is when we hit India in their home. After the incident of Pulwama, India had responded to the February 14 suicide attack on a convoy of Central Reserve Police Force in Pulwama with an airstrike on terrorist camp in Pakistan's Balakot. Pakistan retaliated by sending fighter jets to target Indian military installations. Superstar Rajinikanth today hinted at a rethink on joining electoral politics and said that he would announce his stand at an appropriate time amid speculations triggered by a letter that many believed was written by him and leaked. The letter is not mine, but the information on my health and doctor's advice is true, Rajinikanth said in a statement. He further said that I shall discuss with Rajini Makkal Mandram and shall announce my political stand at an appropriate time. The 69-year-old actor has weighed in on various political issues in the past 2 years but has delayed his formal plunge, unlike his film industry comrade Kamal Hassan, whose party candidates contested last year's Lok Sabha election. Civil Aviation Minister Hardeep Singh Puri on Thursday said that bidding for Air India would be done on the basis of its enterprise value instead of equity value. Enterprise value of the company includes the equity value, debt as well as cash with the company. Equity value measures the value of company's shares. He said, we have decided to ask for bids for Air India on enterprise value, he said at a press conference. Aviation Secretary Pradeep Singh Kharola said at the press conference that the bid will be on the enterprise value, and in this enterprise value also a ratio has been earmarked between how much the bidder can take as debt and how much he has to give as cash. A Delhi court has closed a criminal defamation case against BJP leader Kapil Mishra after he tendered an unconditional apology to Aam Aadmi Party leader and Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain. The complaint was filed by Mr. Jain against Mishra in 2017 for his defamatory statement against him and Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. The case was closed on Wednesday after Mishra agreed to tender an unconditional apology before Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Vishal Pahuja. After recording the statement of Mr. Mishra as well as Mr. Jain, the court disposed the defamation complaint as withdrawn. A man wielding a knife at a church in the French city of Nice killed 3 people, beheading the head of a woman and injured several others before being apprehended by the police, officials said on Thursday. French anti-terror prosecutors have opened an inquiry into what the city's mayor, Christian Estrosi, called an Islamo-fascist attack. Estrosi said on Twitter that the knife attack had happened in or near the city's Notre Dame church and that police had detained the attacker. The mayor told journalists at the scene that the assailant, detained shortly afterwards by police, kept repeating Allahu Akbar even while under medication.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.